Today I will take you with the process how to change VM machine type in Google Cloud Platform and how to add or modify disk in VM machine. My name is Rohit Garg and I welcome you on our YouTube channel Decode ITES. Decode ITS provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. Change machine type of virtual machine in Google Cloud Platform. GCP provides multiple resource configuration for virtual machine instance on basis of general purpose, memory, and CPU optimized workloads. We have seen a list of available options as well. There may be a situation when you want to change the machine type after creation. This is very much possible without the installation on a single reboot of VM instance. To change the machine type, you need to browse the instance properties in Google Cloud Console, then Compute Engine, then VM instance. In VM instance, you need to locate your instance for which you want to change the machine type. Let me take you to with the steps of changing VM instance machine type in GCP. For this, you need to browse your Google Cloud Console page, and from here, you need to browse for Compute Engine, and in Compute Engine, you need to go to VM instances. In VM instances page, you will find all VM machines available in your Google Cloud account. To view the properties of machine or to make modifications in machine properties, you need to browse for the machine detail page. For this, you need to select the machine or click here. Once you click here, it will open the details of VM machine selected by you. Now you can see their list of details are available like instance ID, machine type, reservation, compute platform details, disk details, further settings like Shield VM, and permittable post maintenance for live migration. The details are available. To make any modification in these details, you need to click on Edit, and possible details are editable now. For this session, we will be changing the machine type. To change the machine type, you will get the option similar to as you get at the time of machine creation. From here, you can select the machine type from general purpose, memory optimized, or compute optimized machines. Let's change the machine type from N1 CPU to 2 CPU. Now you just need to click on save. You will get the save option at the last of the page. Once you click on save, your instance details are updating. Once you reboot the machine, this machine will reboot with the new configuration that you have just selected. If you go up, you will see that your machine details are modified with 2 vCPU standard 2, that this is the new machine type for your VM instance. In this way, you can modify the machine type of your instance. Add or modify disk in GCP. The addition of additional disk or modifying existing disk is very regular practice and requirements. In GCP, you can do it on fly and do not need any downtime. Once a new disk is assigned to OS or capacity increase for existing disk, you need to act as guest OS to make them visible for application and users using a particular VM. Let's review the steps of adding new disk in any VM instance or increase the capacity of any existing disk. For this, you just need to browse for Compute Engine from your Google Cloud Console page, and in Compute Engine, you need to go to VM instances. In VM instances page, you will see the all instance available in your Google Cloud account. You need to click on any of the VM to edit the properties and review the properties. You need to click on VM and it will open the properties page from where you can edit the VM instance properties. So let's click on this VM and we will see what all options we have related to disk. You can see there are three disks currently associated with this VM. One is boot disk, which is basically a OS drive, and disk 1 and disk 2 is the additional disk which are attached to this VM. Let's add disk 3 in this VM. For this, just need to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will see most of the options are editable now. Once you reach to the disk options, you will see existing disk 1 and 2 is available. So we will go with the add new disk. Once you click on add new disk, it will ask you for the disk name, description, disk type, whether you want to have a standard disk, SSD persistent disk or balanced persistent disk. We will go with the standard one for this testing. The snapshot schedule. You can create the snapshot schedule and attach that schedule to this particular drive, and this drive snapshot will be generated or taken by Google Compute Engine according to the schedule. So currently we don't have any schedule right now, so we will skip this option. Now you have an option of blank disk, image disk, or snapshot disk. A snapshot disk, that if you have any of the disk available or any of the disk snapshot is available, you can use that snapshot to create a disk drive. Now we will create a blank disk, read write mode, deletion rule. That means when you delete this drive from this OS, whether you want to delete this or you want to keep this, enable the keep disk option. That means your drive will be detached from the server but somehow available in the disk list that you can see from the disk page. If you click on delete disk, then your disk will be automatically deleted once you detach or delete from the VM instance. So we will do it for keep disk. Size is 500 GB. We are not going to change it. Next is Google managed keys, customer managed key or customer supplied keys, encryption types. So we'll keep with the Google managed keys. Device name you want to change, or you can keep it default. Once you click on done, a new disk of 500 gigs disk 3 is added, and you can see new disk option is visible here. Now, how you can delete the existing disk? You can click on this delete tab for the required disk that you want to delete, and it will just delete the disk. But the disk is configured with keep alive option when you delete the disk. So we will just save this machine and browse to the disk page and see if disk 2 is available there. Disk 2 is not associated by any of the VM. How we can increase the capacity of disk? Let's go to the disk 3 under the disk, and you can see the capacity is 500 gigs. To edit the disk, you need to click on edit, and you can see size option is now editable. Now you can edit the disk size, and we will make it 600 gigs. Save. Your disk 3 is now 600 gigs. We will go back to the VM instance. In VM instance properties, we will just verify whether VM instance is able to recognize that disk 3 is now of 600 gigs instead of 500. So we will click on the instance name from VM instance, and it will show the VM properties. And once you reach to disk, it is still not updated yet because it will take some time for reflecting here. We will just refresh the page, and you can see disk 3 is now of 600 GBs. We have just completed our demo session, and we have covered how we can modify the VM machine type, how we can add the disk, how we can delete the existing disk, how we can modify or increase the capacity of current disk, and how we can, and what is deletion rules, keep disk and delete disk. These things are very helpful and one of the regular or day-to-day activities for GCP admin or infra admins. So this is going to helpful for you when you are planning to maintain any environment over Google Cloud. We have completed our today's lesson along with demo session on how to change VM machine type in GCP and how to add or modify disk for VM instances. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comment on videos or contact us.